This is Access Module 5, page 120. I'm still on the R2G5 file. I'm going to make sure I'm looking at trips. I'm going to right-click and go to Design View again. And I'm going to come down to the trip start date field. And down here we have Validation Rule. So I'm going to click right here for Validation Rule. Then if you can see in step 1, it gives you what to enter. So you might want to look at your text to get this right. I'm on step 1, page 120. I'm in the validation rule box here at the bottom, and I'm going to type less than 1/1/2021. So what it means is the date entered has to be before that. Now in the validation text box, you're essentially setting what message you'll get. And then I'm going to type in date must be before 1/1/2021. When you look at the top of page 121, they have a sample, and yours should match that because we want to make sure that it matches, because this is a little, the context has to be right, but it should have auto-formatted it when you put it in, so it should look just like it. So I'm going to save. It has integrity, meaning it has a rule it's trying to apply. So I'm going to hit yes because it's okay that we're running that. Next, we're going to come back to View, and again go back to Data Sheet, and it wants us to use Tab to move to the trip start date. So you can just use the Tab key or click to go to the right there. And we can try to type 1/1/2021, and you get an error message that says you must enter a date before that. We can hit OK. And then we can hit escape to get back out of there since we can't put in the wrong date. And again, this is one of those settings. It's just testing for us to see, showing us how it works. So a reason you might use this, you guys may not notice because you probably go to like dentist appointments and stuff with your parents. And your parents may make the appointments. But so you'll go to schedule an appointment, might even be orthodontist, and they say, well, we can't schedule out, we don't have the schedule yet for summer, and so they won't let you schedule your appointment yet. It's very well something like this where the software program doesn't allow you to schedule ahead too far in advance, so a company might have a lot of reasons for that. So anyway, that's what we're doing here is preventing data entered from being too far out with the less than greater than. So I would like you to go ahead, switch to Design View for our screenshot. Make sure you're clicked on Trip Start Date because I need to see that you changed the rule. So make sure you're clicked on Trip Start Date, print screen, come back down, paste. And then we have that one all set up. And from there, make sure you save.